New Claude Managed Agents update is insane. Today I'm going to show you how AI just went from something you chat with to something that actually works for you. This is brand new. This is big. Claude just dropped a full agent system and it changes everything. No coding, no headaches, just agents that run on their own. And by the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to use it. So picture this. You've got an AI. It's smart. It can answer questions. Cool, right? But what if that AI could also do things for you, like actually go out, take action, complete tasks on its own? While you sleep, that's what Claude Managed Agents just made possible. And this isn't some demo. This isn't a prototype. This is real. This is live, and this is insane. Here's the thing most people don't know. Building AI agents used to be hard, like really hard. You had to set up the infrastructure, handle the loops, build the memory systems, deploy it, monitor it, scale it, fix it when it breaks. Most people, they never even finish building one. They'd get halfway through, hit a wall and give up. And that meant all the cool agent stuff, it stayed stuck in the hands of big tech companies with huge engineering teams. Normal people, business owners, marketers, creators couldn't touch it until now. Hey, if we haven't met already, I'm the digital avatar of Julian Goldie, CEO of Goldie Agency. Whilst he's out there helping clients get more leads and customers, I'm here to bring you the latest AI updates that actually matter. Julian reads every single comment. So if you've got thoughts, questions, anything, drop it below. He'll see it. So let's get into it. What actually is Claude Managed Agents? Think of it like this. Before, Claude was like a really smart person sitting at a desk. You could ask them questions, so they'd give you answers. Now, Claude is like a full team, with a brain, with tools, with a plan, and it executes all by itself. Anthropic didn't just update Claude, they built an entire platform around it. You get the agent brain, which is Claude's model, doing the thinking. You get the agent loop, meaning it keeps going, keeps working, keeps iterating until the job is done. You get tools and memory, so it can take real-world actions and remember what it's doing. And you get cloud infrastructure, meaning Anthropic handles all the hosting, the scaling, the security, all of it. You just use it. That's the shift. That's the big deal. Now, here's where it gets really interesting. And this is the part most people are going to miss. So there's something called the agent harness. Sounds technical. It's not. Here's what it means. It's the system that controls how the agent thinks and acts. So the agent gets a task. It makes a plan. It uses tools. It checks its own work. It fixes mistakes. It loops until it's done. No human needed in the middle. That's the agent harness. And that's what makes this different from everything else out there. Open loops here, because I'm going to show you exactly what this looks like in practice in just a second. Keep watching. But first, if you're serious about using AI to grow your business and save hundreds of hours, you need to be inside the AI Profit Boardroom. It's the best place to scale your business, get more customers, and automate the stuff that's eating your time. If you're using Claude and AI agents to build workflows for your business, the AI Profit Boardroom is exactly where you want to be. Link is in the description. Okay, real use cases, because this is where it clicks. Let's say you run an agency, like I do. You've got client work coming in, research needs to get done, reports need to go out, follow-ups need to happen. It never stops. With Claude Managed Agents, you could build an agent that does your research automatically, every day, pulls the latest info, summarizes it, outputs a clean report, done, no human touching it. Or let's say you've got customer support. Tons of questions coming in, same questions over and over. You build a support agent, it reads the question, pulls from your knowledge base, writes a reply, sends it, logs it. Again, no human in the loop. Or here's one that's going to hit different for anyone in SEO or content. You build an agent that reviews your content, finds gaps, suggests improvements, even rewrites weak sections automatically. That's not the future. That's now with Claude Managed Agents. And the key thing, the thing that makes this actually usable, is that you don't need to be an engineer to set this up. Anthropic built it so that the heavy lifting is done. The infrastructure is there. The loop is built in. You define the goal, you add the tools, and the agent does the rest. Now, I want to talk about something that most people aren't going to say out loud. This is a direct shot at OpenAI. OpenAI has agents. Google has agents. There are open source frameworks out there, LangGraph, Autogen. People have been building on these for months, but here's the difference. Everyone else is building demos. Anthropic built something you can actually deploy. Production ready, secure, scalable, with monitoring built in, with permissions built in. That's a completely different product. When a company wants to actually use agents, not just play with them, they need something they can trust in production, something that doesn't break, something that can handle real workloads. Claude Managed Agents is that thing, and that matters because the gap between demo and deployed has been the biggest blocker for AI adoption in real businesses. Anthropic just closed that gap. Let me break down the three-step flow so this is crystal clear. Step 1, build. You define what you want the agent to do, you give it a goal. You connect the tools it needs, search, code execution, APIs, whatever. Simple. Step 2, run. The agent takes over. It plans, it acts, it loops, it checks itself. It keeps going until the task is complete. You don't touch it. Step 3, deploy. Cloud handles everything. Scaling, security, uptime. You're not managing servers. You're not babysitting infrastructure. It just runs. That's it. That's the whole thing. And the fact that this is now available to anyone, not just companies with massive engineering teams, that's what makes this insane. Open loop. And I promised I'd come back to this. What does this actually look like when you sit down and use it? Here's how to think about it. Start simple. Pick one repetitive task in your business, something that takes time, something that follows a pattern. Research tasks, reporting tasks, support tasks, outreach tasks, content review tasks. Pick one. Build an agent around it. Test it, watch it run, because once you see an agent complete a real task on its own from start to finish, your whole view of what's possible changes. You stop thinking about AI as a tool you use. You start thinking about it as a team member that works for you. And that shift, that's where the real advantage is. Now, here's the bigger picture, because this isn't just about one update. This is about where AI is actually going. Claude started as a chatbot. You ask it things, it answers. That's the version most people know. Then came tool use, where Claude could actually do things, search the web, run code, read documents. Then came the agent SDK, where developers could start building full agent systems. And now managed agents, the full stack, build, run, deploy, all in one place. The whole thing is connected. And Anthropic has been building toward this for a long time. This is not a random feature drop. This is the completion of a strategy. The strategy being make Claude not just smart, but useful at scale. And they've done it. Here's my honest take on what this means for business owners and entrepreneurs. The people who figure out agents now, who actually build them, test them, deploy them, they're going to have a massive head start. Because agents don't get tired. They don't call in sick. They don't need breaks. You build a good agent once. It works for you every single day. And while everyone else is still doing things manually or still just using AI as a search engine, you've got autonomous workflows running in the background. That's the edge. And it's available right now with Claude Managed Agents. So what should you do next? First, go look at Claude's platform. Check out the Agent SDK. Start with the documentation. Get familiar with what's possible. Second, pick that one task, the repetitive one, the one that eats your time. Start there. Third, build something small. Test it, break it, fix it, learn how it works. Because the people who actually build with this, not just watch videos about it, those are the people who win. And if you want the full process, the SOPs, the frameworks, and 100+ AI use cases just like this one, join the AI Success Lab. It's our free AI community. Links are in the comments and the description. You'll get all the video notes from this video in there, plus access to our community of 38,000 members who are actually using AI to get ahead. And if you're ready to go deeper to build real AI-powered systems for your business, the AI Profit Boardroom is the place to do it. That's where we cover exactly how to use tools like Claude Managed Agents to automate your workflows, serve more clients, and build systems that run without you. Link is in the description. The next wave of business isn't built on bigger teams. It's built on better agents. And Claude just made them real. See you in the next one.